Hi students, this is supplementary lesson 5 and we have to solve the exercise 1.4 which is based on binary operations. So, in the main lesson we have studied binary operation definition and then 4 properties. They are called commutative law, associative law, existence of identity and existence of inverse. So, now let us solve the questions. The first question is determine whether the following are binary operations or not. That means on a given set an operation is defined, we have to decide whether it is binary or not. Now, what is the meaning of binary operation? Let me just recollect. For any two elements A and B belonging to a set, if A star B also belongs to the same set A, it is called binary. If this element is not in the same set, then it is not binary. So, that is the meaning of binary. Let us take the first question. First question is Z plus, and binary operation is this: A star B equal to A minus B, AB belonging to Z plus. Actually Z plus means a set of natural number 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this is not binary because, so we can say star is not binary operation because suppose you take 1 belonging to Z plus and 3 belonging to Z plus, then 1 minus 3 which is minus 2, and this minus 2 does not belong to Z plus. So this implies star is not binary operation. So this is the first question. Same way we can decide whether it is binary or not for the second one. Second question, see it is also on Z plus only. So Z plus A star B is defined by A star B equal to AB. So definitely it is binary because for any two elements, integers A and B, positive, product of two integer is always positive. So now A belonging to Z plus and B belonging to Z plus, AB belongs to Z plus. So this implies star is binary operation. So this is the second one. First one is over, second one is over. Third one, let us do the third one also. Remaining two you can try yours, or let me take this one. So instead of third one, so let me take fourth question. So fourth question, on Z plus, once again on Z plus A star B equal to mod of A minus B. So this is binary. See, note here, this is not binary because A minus B, but here it is mod of A minus B. Star is binary operation because mod A minus B belongs to Z plus for AB belonging to Z plus, because even if A is smaller than B, say for example 1 minus 3, it is minus 2, but mod of minus 2 is plus 2, so it belongs to Z plus only. So definitely it is binary. So this is the reason. Justify your answer, there is the question, therefore you have to give the reason, that's all. So I think you can do definitely this question and this question yourself. So let us go to the next one. Second question, second main question. Here also there are many sub questions. For each operation star defined below, determine whether star is binary. First of all, you have to decide whether it is binary, commutative or associative. Commutative or associative. So you know the meaning of commutative, that is A star B equal to A plus A B star A, that is commutative property, and A star B star C equal to A star B star C associative. We have defined this and we have taken a lot of examples in main lesson. Let us solve a few of them, and remaining we shall leave as homework. First one, First question is on Z. On Z, A star B is defined by A minus B. A star B equal to A minus B. Now here Z means it is both positive and negative integer. Therefore A minus B is definitely binary. So we have to write now. Star is binary because you have to decide that. So star is binary operation as A B belonging to Z, A minus B, this also belongs to Z. So this implies star is binary operation. So no doubt. Second one is you have to decide star is not commutative. Not commutative because it is very clear A star B equal to A minus B, but this cannot be equal to B minus A. So this equal to what? B star A. So this implies star is not commutative. Commutative. So this is the answer, reason. Next we have to decide whether it is associative. So procedure is like this. Star is not even associative, not associative. For example, A star B star C equal to, by definition it is A minus B then star C. So this is same as now A minus B then minus C, but this can be written as A minus B minus C because there is no bracket here. Bracket is here, therefore you can remove it. So this is one thing. Similarly, A star then B star C you can write as A star then B minus C, but now the definition is A star A minus, then you have to put a bracket B minus C, but when you simplify you get A minus B, here you get plus C. So it is very clear, here it is A minus B minus C, here it is A minus B plus C, therefore A star B then star C is not same as A star B star C. So this definitely implies star is not associative. Associative. So we have to prove for every question. First you have to decide binary or not, then you have to decide commutative or not, associative or not. First question is completed. Let me take second, you can try. Let me just explain how you can do it. This is binary because see, for any two rational numbers AB is a rational number, plus 1 is also a rational number, therefore definitely this belongs to Q. So binary, no doubt. You can definitely show that it is commutative because AB BA, if you interchange it won't the value will not change. So definitely it is commutative. Try yourself whether it is associative or not by taking 3 elements ABC. So this I will leave. Let me take this question, third question. So let us take the third question. Question number 3, on Q, once again on Q means set of rationals, A star B equal to AB upon 2, then AB belonging to Q. So first question is whether it is binary. Yes. So star is binary operation because A B belonging to Q, for any two, AB divided by 2, definitely it belongs to Q. Product of two rational number is a rational number, divided by 2 once again it is a rational number. So this element will be here only. So this implies star is binary operation, no doubt. Then we have to decide whether it is commutative. Yes, it is commutative because AB BA, but we have to write it. So second one is star is commutative. Commutative. We have to prove in general. Now consider A star B. So by definition it is EB divided by 2, any EB belonging to Q. But now AB can be written as BA divided by 2 because AB equal to BA in Q. So rational numbers are commutative with respect to multiplication. So this is nothing but B star A. So this implies star is commutative. So the second aspect, the second one is over. We have to check now whether it is associative or not. So we have to check now. Consider A star B then star C. So this we can write. What is A star B? A star B is AB by 2 then star C. So this equal to, suppose you have difficulty with this one, you write this as x star C, where x equal to AB by 2. So but what is x star C? This equal to xc by 2. But x itself is AB by 2. So I have to write AB by 2 then C divided by 2, which is nothing but ABC divided by 4. Let us call this as 1. So similarly, let us take A star then B star C. So B star C. So this, as before, it is A star. So this we can write BC by 2. BC by 2. Once again, as it is difficult to write directly, let us take this as A star Y, where Y equal to BC by 2. BC by 2. This is not a must actually. If you can directly write, it is okay. So this equal to now AY by 2. So this is A into, what is Y now? BC by 2. BC by 2 then divided by 2. Once again you get ABC divided by 4. So this is 2. So it is very clear here also ABC by 2, because any three letters numbers ABC, it is ABC by 4, ABC by 4. Therefore this implies A star B then star C is same as A star then B star C. So this implies star is associative. So this question is done. So same way here, for example, you see definitely it is binary, because you take any two positive integers. AB is a positive integer, 2 to the power AB is also a positive integer only, and this integer definitely belongs to this. So it is definitely binary. Second, it is commutative because 2 power AB is same as 2 power BA. So A star B will be equal to B star A. So you can definitely do. Third one you decide. So this I will not do. This you can do as homework. This let us do. For this there is a problem actually. Let me tell you what it is. So fifth question. Let me take the fifth question. Let me remove this one now. So fifth question. On Z plus A star B equal to A to the power B. So for every AB belonging to Z plus. So is it binary? Yes. See here what happens is for any A and B belonging to Z plus means positive integers, A to the power B, a positive integer to the power positive integer, definitely this is in Z plus. But this is not the case if you take Z. So that you should be careful. Therefore, just by looking at this we cannot decide whether it is binary or not. First you have to ask what is the given set. So this implies star is definitely binary operation. So this is over. So the first question no problem. Second, is it binary commutative? Let us check. Star is not commutative. Why? Because see, A star B is 2 to the, sorry, a to the power b. A star b is a to the power b. But b star a is b to the power a. So they cannot be equal. This implies a star b cannot be equal to b star a. Even you can take a specific example, say 2 3, 2 power 3 8. Here it is 3 2, 3 power square 9. So they are not equal. So even counter example can give, but generally we can give. So this implies star is not commutative, not commutative. So this is the proof for the second one, second part. Then third part is it associative? Same method. So let us take consider a star b then star c. So what is this one? A star b is a power b then star c. Here substitution is not necessary actually, directly you can write a star b is a power b. A star b is a number, star c means a star b to the power c. So this is a power bc. So this is 1. Then a star then b star c. This is a star. What is b star c? B power c. So this, even if you want, you can put a bracket here. So this equal to now a star b is a power bc. So a star bc is a power b power c. So you can see very well, here it is a power b into c, whereas here it is a power b power c. They are not equal. For example, you can take say 2 3 4. Again you can check, even counter example also can give. So this implies a star b then star c is not equal to a star then b star c. So definitely this is not associative property. So let me not completely do this question, but there is a mistake in the question, and unfortunately this is what sometimes happens in textbook. So you should be careful as a student. I told you I think in one of the previous sections also, sometimes there will be mistake in the question, but we should be careful. This itself is not a binary operation. See here question is whether it is binary, then we have to check whether it is commutative or associative. See here, if you take, and the same question has been asked in CET, taking that it is binary, the question itself is wrong. See why it is not binary, I will show you first. See r minus 1. So what he has done is, because he wanted to define this binary operation, a star b equal to a divided by a plus 1, that is a definition. Because if you include minus 1, what happens? A by, suppose you take a equal to 1, 1 by 1 minus 1, that becomes 0, 1 by 0. So he has avoided that one. So he has taken minus 1 by minus 1 plus 1 becomes minus 1 by 0. So minus 1 is removed, fine. So to that extent it is good. Now you take, for example, minus half belongs to r minus 1, definitely, because this is real number, it contains all numbers. Now you check, take minus half and here a equal to minus half. So minus half, okay, into anything, because b, it is not depending on b, you can take anything as b, okay. This equal to, now by definition it is minus half divided by, here you see it is minus half plus 1. So this becomes minus half divided by minus half plus 1 is plus half. So what happens? It is minus 1. But now where is minus 1? By definition this does not contain minus 1. So it cannot be binary. So once it is not binary, question of whether commutative or associative does not normally arise, but as an operation if you take, definitely you can say whether it is binary or not. So definitely it is not binary, because a star b is a by a plus 1. What is b star a? It is b by b plus 1. So it is not binary, commutative. Similarly you can check associative. Therefore let me not discuss this in detail once again, but as a student please note the question itself is not binary, but this is asked in CET, taking that it is binary. Of course, in such cases, you should do according to the given problem instead of arguing like this, because you see, examination is an examination where you have to consider the marks also. But as a student, when you are really interested in the subject, you should be very careful. You should also ask this question whether it is binary or not. So to that extent, we can say that this question there is a problem. So let me not prolong further. Let us go to the next question. So consider the binary operation star on this set. It is already given that binary operation A star B equal to minimum of AB. Write the operation table. See, here it is just drawing the operation table. Operation table means you have to prepare a table like this. See, what is A star B? This you have to understand first. Minimum of AB. That means you have to take the element from here. Minimum of 2, 3, 2. Minimum of 3, 4, 3. Minimum of 1 and 5, 1, like that, minimum. Same way you can also write maximum. So that can be another operation table. Operation table means you have to just construct this. So you write symbol here, and horizontal you write this 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, then 3, then 4, 5. Same thing you write here also, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then what you do is, minimum of 1 and 1 is 1 only. Minimum of 1 and 2 is 1. Minimum of 1 and 3 is 1. Minimum of 1 and 4 is 1. So all this will be 1. Minimum of 2 and 1. Here see, in this column everything will be 1 because this is 1. Minimum of 3 1. This is 1. This is 1. This is 1. Like that you have to construct the operation table. Minimum of 2 and 2 is 2 only. And here all will be 2 because minimum of 2 and 3 it is 2. This is also 2. This is also 2, minimum. Same way here 3. Minimum of 3 and 2 it is 2 here. Then 3 and 3 it is 3. 3 and 4 it is 3. 3 and 5 also it is 3. Now you know the trick. 5, 4 if you take, minimum 4 and 2 is 2. Minimum 4 and 3 is 3. Here it is 4 and here it is 4. Then 5, here it is 2. Here it is 3. Here it is 4. Here it is 5. Now you can see, is it a binary? Of course you can draw the line here if you want. I don't want to draw here. Just prepare the table because it is table. So you can very well see here it is a binary operation because all the elements here, they are here in the given set. Actually given set A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The question is just prepare the table. So we have prepared it. Sometimes question can also be, is it binary operation? First of all, prepare the table. Is it binary? Yes, it is a binary. Then they can also ask, what is the check whether it is commutative, check whether it is associative. So such things also can be checked. So that is possible with this operation table. So let us go to the next question. See here, consider a binary operation star on this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 given by the following multiplication table. Table is already given, so you need not construct it. But question is, compute this, and is commutative, is compute this one. This is a thing. So let us take one by one. So first we will compute the given values. Say first question, question part 1. So we have to compute 2 star 3, then star 4. Now we have to read these tables, that's all. 2 star 3 means 2 star 3, you have to check here, it is 1. So you have to write 1 star 4. So here you have to write, because 2 star 3 equal to 1. We can check here 2 star 3. So this is 1. So it is 2 star 3, 1. Then 1 star 4 you have to check. 1 star 4. So here this is also 1. So this is 1. Here you can write from table. Here also you can write from table. So this is the value. So 2 star 3 star 4 is 1. Next we have to consider this also. That means we have to check actually associative or not for this pair. Therefore 2 star, then 3, then 2 star 3 star 4. So second one. So this is 2 star. First I have to check this one, 2 star 3. 2 star 3 is once again, sorry, 3 star 4, I am sorry. 3 star 4, once again it is 1. So 1. So this is because 3 star 4 equal to 1 from table. So this is next. Check here, 2 star 1. 2 star 1 is also 1 only. So this is 1. So from table. So you can see here they are equal. Of course we cannot generalize with only this pair. We have to check with others also whether it is associative or not. So the first question is answered. Is it commutative? You can check. For example, see 1 star 2 is 1, 2 star 1 is 1, 1 star 2 3, 3 star 1 sorry 1 1 like that. So definitely you can check it is commutative. Second one, it is star is commutative. So third one you can do yourself. What you have to do? 2 star 3. So I don't want to do this one. 2 star 3, check here. 2 star 3 1. So this is 1. 4 star 5. 4 star 5, that is also 1. So 1 star 1. 1 star 1 is 1. So answer is 1 here. So this you can do yourself. So this is fourth question. We shall try to do the next question also, of course subject to time limit. So this is the next question. Fifth is let star be a binary operation defined on this one. A star b equal to HCF of A and B. E star binary operation. Construct composition table and justify your answer. So you have to just construct the composition table or multiplication table, and then based on that table you have to decide. So let us take here as before, say solution. Given elements are 1 2 3 4 5. So let me take here star 1, then 2 3 4 5, and here also 1, then 2 3 4 5. Now definition is A star B equal to HCF of A and B. So what is the HCF of 1 and 1? Definitely it is 1. HCF of 1 and 2 is 1 only. Highest common factor HCF means. And 1 and 3 is 1. 1 and 4 is 1. 1 and 5 is 1. So definitely it is 1 1. Same thing, 2 and 1 is 1. 2 and 2 is 2. 2 and 3 is 1. 2 and 4 is 2. 2 and 5 is 1. Same thing we can fill the remaining. 3 and 1 is definitely 1. 3 and 2 1. 3 and 3 3. 3 and 4 1. 3 and 5 1. 4 and 1 1. 4 and 2 it is 2. 4 and 3 1. 4 and 4 definitely 4. 4 and 5 it is 1. And 5 and 1 1. 5 and 2 also 1. 5 and 3 also 1. This is also 1. This is 5. Highest common factor between 5 and 5. So now it is very well clear. Construct the composition table and justify your answer. Is it binary? You yourself can decide. All the elements here, resulting elements, they are here only. 1 2 3 4 5. So from table star is binary operation, because for any AB belonging to this one 1 2 3 4 5, A star B belongs to this one only 1 2 3 4 5. So this implies star is binary operation. Star is binary operation. So this is the fifth question. Let us conclude here. I think sixth question may not be possible. Let me just show you what is the next question. In the next class we can do. This is LCM. So let star be binary operation on n defined by A star B equal to LCM of A and B. Find 5 star 7, 20 star 16. Is star commutative? Is star associative? Find the identity of star in n. which element of n are, so it is a very lengthy question. Totally I have to answer 5 questions, sub questions. So let me take this question in the next class, that is SL5. So a few more questions are remaining, we shall try to cover the remaining. So if you like this video, please like, and please subscribe if you are not yet subscribed, and share this with your friends. Let us meet in the next supplementary lesson, and let us try to complete the remaining questions of this exercise. Till then, bye. Take care.